guys, everybody, it's Amazon here, and I'll be reviewing the Huawei MediaPad M3. The tablet. The Huawei MediaPad is an Android tablet running Android 6.0.1 Marshmallow, so the prior version of Android. It's got 4 gigs of RAM, and it's running their own Kirin processor, Huawei's own processor. So what it does is if you're doing light stuff like email, web browsing, it doesn't save up but uses less power. And when you do more high intensive stuff, let's say gaming, it will kick into the high powered mode, which uses more cores and drain more power and be more powerful, which is quite nice. So yes, but you can also make it so it always uses the high processor if you want to. So let's look at the product now and see my thoughts. So here's the product. So you've got over here a webcam, not sure how much. You've got the Huawei logo. You've got the home button. It has all the Android features including recent app, return, home. You've got a micro USB port, headphone jack, 3.5mm, supports mic in it, no ports here, power and volume. So if I press power, you've got the tablet, and if I quickly log on, you've got the screen. So if I turn off, on, switch to my dad's user, what you can do is swap from the bottom and use apps in the lock screen, including voice recorder, wide voice recorder, camera, yeah. What would be good is if it had a calculator and clocks, like a stopwatch or something. So that's pretty nice, so you don't need to log on for that. So let's check in a better view now. Okay, so I've gone into this view. So as you can tell, the home screen, it feels a lot like iOS, operating system by Apple. As you can tell, when you're when you're horizontal, the apps like Android go on the side, not down below like Apple, which is kind of nice, and I do like that. So you swipe down, you get to your notifications. Now, time, eye protection, shortcuts. So you've got Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, auto rotate, settings, mute, screen capture. So I can go down to edit and reshuffle them. If I hold down on a thing, for example, I hold down on Bluetooth, I open Bluetooth settings. So it comes with Google Play, so it's Android. So in photography, it comes with their own camera and gallery, which is their photos. I recommend the Google Photos as more powerful and more superior. Navigation that comes with compass. Music comes with their own player. I recommend that over playing music. Videos, that plays internal video files. A note-taking app called Notepad. Your downloads and internal files. Here you've got settings, backup, themes, and print service. Weather app. And over here you've got calendar, contacts, messaging, which is SMS, dialer, which is the phone, email. Then over here, no, not in games. No, not there. You've got calculator, clock, tablet manager, high care, mirror, and voice recorder. You'll get down there. Oh, and Mirror. Mirror is a really weird app. So, I'll show you a few. So, camera has been set up, but you've got camera. Let's look at gallery. You got your photos and albums, so recommended photos, including tablet ones. If you want these photos, I can put a download link. Wipe, quit, enable, allow. So it can, oh, it uses the camera and it shows you where you're pointing. Swipe, and you've got a leveler if you're doing photos that you can level. So that's compass. I've got music. So you've got music app. Videos. Just do internal videos. Nothing special, don't have any videos, so I can't really show you any. Notepad, they can take notes, new settings, you can do a grid style or lines. If I go down to files, download, let's see, download files through Chrome. Files, so you've got images, audio, video, documents, archives. Local, I've got network neighborhood. That's on your network, like NAS storage or. So here's settings. Sorry, it cut out on me. So I've got settings. It supports fingerprints if you're wondering. So that's pretty good. So you've got your settings. I go down to backup. You can back up the tablet. Don't have a micro SD, so I can't really back up. Themes. You can change the theme, so it's like icon packs for the system. And folder packs, and change the interface. So if we go me, the my theme, then I go see, which I downloaded. And I apply. Applying theme. Theme applied. So this is on the user. As you can tell, the icons have changed. And when you get a notification, and it drops in, you don't swipe left to right to dismiss it, you swipe up like on iOS. Themes. Calendar. Nothing much, just feels like a fairly steady calendar. Contacts. Got all contacts. Dial, you can't actually do dial, but this does it have. So there's a micro SD card, a SIM slot, so that's pretty good. Oh. What I've noticed, when you swipe up by accident, when I swipe up, from the home button up, you can get to Google. So it's like holding down your home button and you get Google. Messaging, so that's SMS. So you've got SMSs. Dial is just the phone as you saw. There can be a phone, but it's always only in loudspeaker, which is the downside. Email. So you've got your email. So you've got your so that's pretty good. Calculator is just this. Try to match the theme, which is pretty nice. A bit more actually to match the theme. Got clock. Click my alarm, door clock, stopwatch, timer. Tick tock, tick tock, protocol. Manager. So it checks for anything it can improve. And you can change the resolution to say power from 1440p to 1080s. You can put apps on, so you can block apps, part system, high care, so you can go service your tablet. This tablet wasn't available in Australia, but is working fine in Australia. Mirror. Yay, it's me. So you can zoom in and you've got a mirror pretty much. Don't ask why. They should just import it in the camera. Someone who doesn't really know, you can do that. Voice recorder. Recordings. So that's all there is. And the weather app. It's 67 degrees Fahrenheit in the Sunshine Coast where I am. I'm in Celsius, but there it's on the AccuWeather. Swipe down, swipe across, settings. So Wi-Fi, they've enhanced Wi-Fi. They've got advanced Wi-Fi. What they mean by that is when the device detects another Wi-Fi which is in range, so it's unlocked or part of your saved history but stronger, it'll say, would you like to connect to this? Or it will say, this Wi-Fi network is offline. Would you like to disconnect and try and connect to another network? Which is great for when a home network goes offline, thanks to television roadworks. You've got that. In hotspot, you can limit to like a gigabyte. So any device connector. So let's say you've got 4 devices connected. If one or all of them together go over a gigabyte, so when it hits the gigabyte mark, the hotspot will turn off, which is nice. About tablet, EMUI 4.1, Emotion UI, if you're wondering, RAM 4 gigs, Kieran, high silicon Kieran 950, so yes. So that is the interface. Now let's check over the benchmarks on the tablet and specifications. Time for system specifications. So that was a Huawei MediaPad M3. It's running Android 6.0.1, the prior version of Android. It's still supported, but doesn't have all the latest features. I'm Sam. Thank you, and see you.